Smart Pack Cup Filler Packaging Machine by Sensograph. This machine is useful for packaging of Bhagar, tea powder, detergent powder etc. Being compact, minimum space is required. Weighing capacity of the machine is up to 1 kilogram. Speed of the machine is 30 to 60 drops per minute, with repetitive accuracy. It has servo-motorized belt drive. Can opening mechanism designed for powder type product. Machine has high accuracy volumetric feeder. T-assisted disc movement. The Bhagar is designed for small pouch size, offering economical packing solutions. Unwinding by positive friction drive. Precision printer system. Quicker, simple training with an easy-to-learn operator interface. You can be rest assured with high quality, timely delivery, and post-sale service. Sensograph, packaging simplified.